What if your sales team is working harder but closing less? Most people get this wrong. But here's why the CRM you choose can make or break your revenue. Today, we're doing an honest review of Freshsales and what it's really like to use. Freshsales is a cloud-based CRM designed for small to mid-sized businesses. It helps track leads, manage deals, automate follow-ups, and analyze performance. The interface is clean and easy to understand, even for beginners. You can capture leads from emails, websites, and phone calls. Once inside the system, you can move deals through stages and see where each opportunity stands. You won't believe what happens next when your team finally sees the full sales pipeline in one place. Freshsales also includes built-in phone and email tools, so your team can contact leads without switching apps. Automation features allow you to send follow-ups and assign tasks automatically. However, advanced features like AI scoring and detailed reports require paid plans. Pricing can grow as your team expands. The surprising truth is that Freshsales is powerful, but only if your team actually uses it. Subscribe for more honest software reviews.